Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the slow motion mode, and here you can record slow motion videos. So like I'm gonna record this flower spin, so let's get it. Okay, we got it. And now let's check out how it will look like on our slow motion video. Whoa, it's so slow when it starts spinning. Okay, so here it goes. So as you can see, like on this video, this flower spins like much slower than it was in real life. Because like slow motion is just video like this, it's slowed down video. That's how it works. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.